What's up guys, Oppo's Find X launched tomorrow and its overall design is still a mystery. A new teaser poster and TV ad have appeared online giving us a glimpse of what to expect. First, let's examine the teaser poster. The image was shared on Weibo by the official Oppo account. It shows the Find X with a display that covers nearly all the front, save for a small chin at the bottom. There is also no notch at the top. Other than a picture of the phone, the poster also teases the phone's screen to bird ratio, which should be over 90%, seeing as the first figure is 9. Next is the TV ad, which was shown on one of the China's own state TV CCTV1. The device has the same front design as the phone in the teaser poster, a notchless screen with a small bezel at the bottom. The interesting part of the ad is when we get to see the rear of the phone. The back is covered in glass but has a black band in the shape of an M at the top. Within that black band sits dual rear cameras separated by LED flash. And according to patents and my understanding, Oppo Find X is going to be more unique. Like if you want to capture something from back camera, then you can easily capture it. But if you want to take a selfie, you need to rotate a camera from back to front like Oppo's previous N series phone. But don't take it too seriously, it's just my concept, my sketching based on leaks. The video also reveals the phone will come in two color variants, burgundy and blue. The Oppo Find X launched tomorrow. It will come with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It also appears it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner, seeing as there is not one on the rear of the phone in the TV ad. So yeah, that's all about the Oppo Find X, a real bezel-less beauty. Now let know what you guys think about it. Is this phone going to be a truly bezel-less phone, or it's a lie like Lenovo? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoyed to saw this video, then don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe button. And yeah, see you soon.